What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail. I appreciate you coming by. And in today's direct short video, I'll be reviewing a website that will help you make money online. Now, if you've been a fashionista or a fashion mister, you need to check out the site. If you've done, or hey, let's say you've gotten a collection of clothing over the years. Okay, you can quote unquote get rid of them by very resourceful means that will not fill landfills and will actually help people who are looking for bargain prices for clothing to be able to afford them. This site is called swap.com. All right, that's this word right here, swap.com. Swap.com is an online retailer that allows individuals to thrift their clothing. More specifically, they are a community of thrifters to find affordable, quality second-hand apparel for the whole family. Being an online thrift store, they make it easier than ever to filter through like new, pre-owned clothing. Now together, we keep millions of items out of landfills, which is something everyone can feel good about. And as such, it would be great to support them, even if you want to see what the shopping experience is like, even if you want to see what quality of clothing they actually have. You can find affordable pricing, and you can find up to 90% off retail pricing on your favorite brands. You can unlock the secret to feel good fashion at an affordable cost. People won't know, but your wallet will. Hassle-free shipping. It doesn't fit? Aren't in love? No worries. Send it back within 14 days. Extend to 30 days by signing up, and we will take care of the return shipping. Plus, we always offer free shipping on orders over $75. And they've been featured on WGN9 Chicago, Vogue, Today, Rachel, The Wall Street Journal, TLC, The Dr. Oz Show, and ABC News, among other big celebrity channels and programs. Now, how do you get started? Well, it's really easy. On your browser, you will see this menu on the top of your screen, but on mobile, you will actually have to press the menu button and this drop down menu will pop up. You can click sign in, all right, to create an account. Now, if you click sign in and you don't actually have an account created, you just click create account. Okay, then you'll proceed to enter your email, create a password, enter your first name and your last name. Okay, and by creating an account, you agree to terms and privacy policy of swap.com. You press that blue button and your account is created, and it's as easy as that, and you can be on your way to making money online by by exchanging your used clothing for money. Because because fall and winter are approaching. In fact, they're pretty much here. The hot ticket items currently are sweaters and cardigans are on sale, and their prices are cut to $9 currently. Okay, $9. But I would encourage you to browse cardigans and sweaters, work clothing, professional clothing, shoes, summer clearance. Okay. Now, I'm not sure what the policy is on shoes. I do know that some entities are somewhat leery about shoes just because of athlete's foot and things like that. But I don't know what their policy is currently regarding cleaning items like footwear and so forth. So that's something that you could look into. But they do have items they have items under the following categories: new arrivals, women, men, kids and baby, shoes, and premium finds. And then the final item is actually clearance. All right. So, for example, you have a newborn, you're a bit, stretched for cash. Put your pride aside. There are, of all these categories, kids and baby is usually the best finds that you'll find because babies wear clothes maybe a few weeks or maybe a couple months the most, and then they grow out of them, and then the parent tosses them to the side. All right. So if you're on a budget and you want some quality finds, check swap.com. If you're on a budget and you need to make some money, sell your clothing. Okay? It's as simple as that. So check out swap.com. I will leave a link to the website in the description below. But if you're okay with typing, it's swap.com. Go ahead, check that out. Let me know what your adventures have been like, how they've been, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. By the way, check me out on TikTok. It's Internet Income Ninja on TikTok. All right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.